How to fix broken headings in table of contents in Word. So if you generated a table of contents and notice that some headings are missing completely, or entire paragraphs of body text are showing up inside your table, your document's heading styles are out of sync. So let me show you step by step how to fix them in your table of contents. So first, let's make sure that Word actually recognizes your section titles as real headings rather than regular text. So scroll to the missing heading in your document and highlight the text. Go up to the top menu, select the Home tab right here, and look in the Styles gallery. Click on Heading 1 or Heading 2 for subheadings. Simply making text bold or larger isn't enough. Word specifically looks for these official heading styles to build your table. And also, guys, you can click this right here, this Show Hide symbol under the Home tab. If you see a small curved arrow next to your heading, you used Shift plus Enter instead of Enter. This accidentally attaches your body text to the heading, pulling full paragraphs into your table. Then, once you've fixed your heading styles in the document, you need to tell Word to rebuild your table of contents. So scroll back up to your table of contents and click anywhere inside to highlight the box. So just click anywhere here, then you just right click, then you choose Update Field, or you just can also click Update Table button at the top left of that table box. A pop-up window will appear with two options. Make sure you select Update Entire Table in here instead of the first one and click OK. And Word will instantly rebuild the table with all your fixed headings. And if a specific heading level still isn't showing up after updating, we just need to check your table depth settings. So go up to the references again, right here, click Table of Contents at the bottom, and look at the Show Levels right over here. If your missing headings are set to heading 4 or lower, make sure this number is increased to 4 or 5. Then you can also click Options here to verify that your custom styles have a number assigned under TOC level, and then hit OK, and OK once again. Replace, yes. And that's all there is to it, guys. Enjoy. If this was helpful, like the video.